Alright guys, I'm walking the dogs. Pipo is right here and Sonny's right here. Never videoed for a long time walking the dogs, guys. It's almost nighttime. Traffic's not that bad now. I'm gonna try to take them out here up here more because they're scared of the traffic. For some unknown reason, they're scared of what. Pretty soon here, guys. I'm gonna make fishing videos soon, guys. So stay tuned of that. I will be making lots of fishing videos. Sonny, no. He pulling my camera. But yeah, I'm just walking down the driveway, and I want to slowly get them used to the highway on the side so I can walk them. But I don't think it's gonna be safe, so I'm gonna have to park somewhere else and then walk the dogs. So I'm gonna do that with the dogs, guys. Stay tuned of that too. So the dogs will be. Now they be mowing the grass too with a little bit of lawnmower and weed whacking and push mowing. Well, not push mowing. Sonny, what are you doing? Oh, he's trying to itch. I don't know why he's itching for, but the free's a bad guy. This shoe. Yeah, shoe was bad, but this shoe is, not that bad. But see you guys later and peace out.